The 2013 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.